The Lost Light of Star Valley. In the magical kingdom of Star Valley, Princess Aurora Belle and Prince Leo Brightheart were preparing for the annual Festival of Lights, where thousands of fireflies lit up the night sky. But this year, something was wrong. The fireflies had vanished. Without them, the valley would remain dark, and the festival would be ruined. Aurora gasped. "Leo, the children will be so sad if the valley stays dark." Leo replied, "Then we must find them. Tonight." Guided by moonlight, they traveled through whispering forests and over sparkling streams. Aurora spoke to the owls, the rabbits, even the tiniest frogs, but none had seen the fireflies. Finally, a wise old turtle told them, "The fireflies are trapped in the shadow cave beyond the mountains." The shadow cave was guarded by a gloomy spirit named Noctra, who hated light. When Aurora and Leo entered, Noctra hissed, "Leave now, or I will keep the fireflies forever." Aurora's heart raced, but Leo stepped forward, holding his magical harp. Leo began to play a gentle melody. The music floated through the cave, warming the cold air. Aurora sang softly, her voice bright as starlight. Noctra's dark form began to shimmer and shrink. Tears glistened in her eyes. I was lonely," Noctra whispered. Aurora smiled. "Then join us at the festival. You can dance among the lights." Noctra freed the fireflies, who swirled around the cave like golden stars. That night, the Festival of Light shone brighter than ever. Children laughed, music filled the valley, and even Noctra smiled among the crowd. Aurora and Leo stood side by side, their hands intertwined, knowing they had brought light back to Star Valley, both to the sky and to a lonely heart. Fireworks burst across the sky, and golden fireflies filled the air.